All right. So what I'm going to do today, well, sort of what I'm going to do today, is I'm going to use the 1x1s, or 1x2s, sorry. 1x1.5, and I'm going to put all these, I'm going to cut them a little bit and put these up against the metal frames, and that way the ceiling will be done, because I'm going to do it on each one of these the whole bus length, but I'm going to do them horizontally, so it's going to be easier for me putting up ceiling. And then after that, well, you know, that's going to take me the whole time, so I'll just do that. So I cut all this, and I finally ran out of 1 gallon of gas, so I'm gonna get it refilled later on. After I do, I'm gonna put all that stuff up, and I'm gonna see what's happened so far and how's it working. And then after that, I'll do the filling if I still have time, but I should, because it's not many pieces. Alright, so I just realized it's kind of hot outside, and also I think this is gonna work, and I'm gonna do that like that, and it shouldn't be an issue really. It actually kind of works out for me, but at the same time it's super hard drilling. It takes a little bit of time. I only got 2 drill holes through that whole thing during that whole time, so it's just like, why, honestly, is it so difficult? But at the same time, they're the middle frames of the bus, so I get it, yeah. They're the ribs. I guess I'll figure it out. So I also went to Home Depot and got myself some red Helix Milwaukee drill bits. They're titanium. They're so much better than the DeWalt drill bits. You know what? It's just it takes like 3 seconds where it used to take a whole minute to drill, and I don't have to put that much pressure on it, and it's so much better. So I'm glad I made the purchase. To do now, I'm gonna have to cut more pieces of the 1x2s to make these little pieces like that so I can get around. But this is what I've done so far, and it's pretty good, and I just gotta fill in that. But I gotta do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, technically 13 more. So we'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna keep doing it until the day is over, I guess. Happen again. But I did get a good start on the next one in the front, and what I will be doing from now on is I'll be doing that, and I think I should get, you know what, 4 at least done each day. So 14 divided by 4 plus the other 2 that I've already done, you know. It's only gonna take me 3 days, really. Probably 4. We'll see what happens. Yeah, but I gotta charge the batteries and I'm gonna call it a day. See you on the next one, guys.